Welcome everyone to this new video where I will be talking about our student ambassador program at USC. I have Jessica with me who actually manages this program. So she has taken time out of her busy schedule and she will tell us about this program, why this program and how beneficial this program can be for upcoming students. So make sure to watch this video till the end where we also showcase and demonstrate how to use the platform and get the best utilization of this tool. Once again, Jessica, thank you so much for doing this. I know it's a very busy schedule for you right now. And for all the students, if you like this kind of content and if I'm able to help you in any way or manner, make sure to hit that like button and do subscribe for many more such informative video about UC. And without wasting any time, let's get started. So, hi Jessica, welcome. Thank you for taking out time. And yeah, so let's start. Can you tell us something about yourself and something about the program that we are here to discuss?
Sure. So my name is Jessica, and I work on the graduate recruitment team at USC Viterbi School of Engineering. I'm also a Trojan through and through, so I did my undergrad and grad at USC.
Wow.
And the program that we're here to talk about today is Viterbi's Graduate Student Ambassador Program.
Perfect. Can you tell us something more like when was this program started? Why is this program here? And how can our students who are, about to come to USC or are thinking to come to USC, how can they benefit out of it?
Sure. So the program started about 2 years ago, and it's really just a chance to admitted students with current Viterbi graduate students. And the main benefit is just to chat in an informal way with a peer and get great advice as you make a very kind of big decision, about which graduate school to go to. So I think there's no better expert than our current students in terms of talking about life as a graduate student at USC, about classes, about faculty, about housing, about every aspect of graduate student life. So I think it's just a great chance to get really valuable information and make connections. So we've seen a lot of friendships sprout through this too, a great sense of community already established before they even get to USC.
Definitely. So I was the one, I made a few friends. I got a great benefit to be honest. So I have used the platform through and through. And now I am also an ambassador, thanks to Jessica. So Jessica, let's do one thing. Let's quickly take our audience to the platform and show them where they can find this page and how they can use it.
Sure. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen so you can see. Okay, so the main way that prospective students can chat with our ambassadors is through a platform called Unibuddy. And the way to access it is to go on our main page. So this is Viterbi Grad Admission. Directly on the screen, you will see links to be able to chat with current students. So here's one, chat with us via the Unibuddy platform. So this is the main webpage in order to chat with our Viterbi graduate student ambassadors. You can learn more about them, where they're from, the program that they're in, any student organizations they're involved with. You can also click our blog function to have posted. But let's say you want to chat with a student, you simply click on the chat with and their name box, and then you'll be prompted to create an account, which is pretty simple and straightforward.
I will be showing that I will be doing a quick demo right towards the end of this video. So make sure to watch the complete video and you can start chatting with any of our ambassadors, be it your same place or same study department, major, anything. And it is something which is not limited. You can talk to as many of them as you wish like. And you can ask them questions about how do they feel, what are the experiences. Anything else that I'm missing, Jessica?
No, that's exactly right. I mean, it's really designed for you to chat with a student, get any question you have answered, and really just get a sense for their experiences in life at USC.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Jessica. And for students who are currently people have already started their masters, and if they want to apply for an ambassador position, can they do that? And if yes, what do what do you look in them for?
That's a great question. Yes, we're always looking for ambassadors, especially since sadly our current student ambassadors end up graduating and have are enthusiastic about USC, who have an inherent desire to give back and to help future Trojans, because that's really the most rewarding part of the job, I think. And maybe you can speak to that too, Ayush, is kind of getting that feedback from prospective students of, oh, wow, this is so great. I feel so much more confident about my decision, and really forming connections. I'm sure it's going to be incredible when you get to meet the people in person when they come to campus that you've been chatting with all this time. So what we're looking for is really someone responsible, reliable, a good communicator, who is excited about USC and helping people.
Perfect. So if anybody who are looking to become an ambassador, you can contact Jessica directly, or just ping me, email me. I will be dropping her email ID, my email ID, LinkedIn, and many more information in the description. So do check that out. Thank you so much, Jessica. I know you're very busy for taking this time out and helping me make this video successful.
My pleasure.
What else, guys? If you like this kind of content, make sure to hit subscribe. And if you have any questions, there's a form below about questions for USC. Fill that up. I will be answering them quite often, every twice a week or bi-weekly, depending on the schedule and the number of questions. You can also talk to me directly on the Unibuddy platform. I will be just showing you how to do that. And that's it. Have a good day. And if you have already got an admit, welcome to USC. Fight on.
Fight on. Thank you.
Okay. Start. So here I will be giving you a brief overview and a walkthrough of this portal. So if you have any confusion, you can follow along with me. It's pretty simple, and yeah, let's quickly complete that. So you first have to go to this website, which will be graduateadmission.usc.edu/prospective, and the link is given in the description. You can check that out. And once you are here, what you can do is, there are two options. Either you can click on chat with us, or if you scroll down, you can select meet with our students. It will take you to our page, the portfolio page. If you have not signed up for the first time, you just have to sign up, and if you're already logged in, it's perfectly alright. That will be best. And you can check out our ambassadors. They are from different majors and from different locations. Like we have Sanjay from Singapore, Gayatri from Mumbai. Both of them have taken computer science. If you want someone from, like, say, mechanical engineer, we have Vineet over here. And if you scroll down, we have healthcare data science, Elisa. Biomedical, we have Divya. Let me take you through my profile and what all information do we get. So if you want to chat with me, you can just scroll down, search my name Ayush, and click on chat with me. If you want to know more about me or any other ambassadors, you can click on read more information, and you will have a brief information given about that ambassador. Apart from that, as I said, to chat, you can click on chat with me, and you can start your conversation. Ideally, an ambassador should reply back to you within 24 hours. So have patience, because the time difference is there and there are many other factors. Apart from that, we have staff. If you want to talk to VAS office regarding some query which a staff member can handle. For blogs, you can come here and check out some blogs written by me and my friends. And what else? If you want to take a virtual tour of our campus, it's over here. Apart from that, yeah, so if you want to know about life at USC, our experience, any questions regarding should you consider about the housing or how to move and what all to be prepared for, you can also check and chat with us. Apart from that, there is a podcast series which is there, which I believe you're already aware about. It is linked in this card. Just check it out as well. Perfect. And that's it for this small tutorial. Let's get back to the video. Thank you everyone for watching the entire video. I really hope this was very helpful, and it will help you to connect with us in a better fashion. And once again, as usual, if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, comment your experience, comment your questions below. One more important thing, all the links that I have been talking about are there in the description. Do check that out. If by chance I have missed something or there is any sort of confusion, you know where to reach me out now on the Unibuddy platform. Hit me up, I will get back to you soon. And what else? If you need any certain type of video, any specific question that you want to get answers, comment section is open for everybody out there. And thank you so much. Bye. Have a good day. Peace.